All right, Market Timing Academy here. Today is January 4th, and I am here to give you your weekly stock analysis. Today we're going to take a look at Salesforce.com. For those of you who don't know what Salesforce.com does, is they provide database management software to both individuals and businesses alike. What's interesting about their business is they deliver that software through something called a cloud, which you're starting to hear a lot more about in the marketplace. The bottom line is that a lot of companies are moving toward having the database management programs of their businesses outsourced rather than being managed internally. It allows them to save a lot of costs for hardware, and it allows them to get software updates real time, etc. So cloud computing, as you've probably heard on TV, is a big deal. Salesforce.com is the premier database software company in the marketplace. We're going to take a look today at the trading of this stock. This is a daily candlestick chart. This is the 50-day moving average, and this is the 200-day moving average. Of course, we have the volume indicator, the MACD, and the full stochastics indicator. Now, we first highlighted this stock back here in March when it came out of a nice really cup with handle base, and we had a great little buy opportunity that came through right in this area as it passed through this prior high. And as you can see, the stock itself made a very nice run over the course of the next few months, and then we moved back into a new basing pattern. Okay, which is this area right here. So what I want to do now is I want to focus on this area right through here and show you how you might trade this stock. Now, you had a potential buy point come right as this stock crossed through this prior high as it completed its basing pattern, which would have got you into the position right through here. Now, you can see something really interesting happened here. You had a massive what's called gap to the upside. The stock had closed at roughly 115 and opened the next day almost around 130, and that was because the stock came through with some very, very good earnings. As you know, they're in a dynamic industry and they're doing well. One of the other things I wanted to point out here is look at the massive volume that trade took place on. Huge volume on the upside, which means that the institutions really stepped in and started acquiring this stock. Now, since then, you can see that the stock's kind of gone through a new basing pattern. This downtrend right through here was probably some profit taking, but candidly, we had a pretty sloppy market back in that period of time. And so what you've got now is you have this stock bouncing right off of its 50-day moving average. You've got the full stochastics breaking above the 25 line, which is a buy indicator, and you've got the MACD about to have a crossover, which is another buy indicator. And so at the Market Timing Academy, we're going to suggest that you can enter this position right now. It seems to be bouncing off of its 50-day moving average, and it has done that, although it doesn't look like it here because of the massive volume on the left. It did break out yesterday on really good volume, and so Salesforce.com, a good stock, good industry, and as long as the market stays healthy, I think you've got a great buy point here. So this is the Market Timing Academy with your weekly stock analysis. If you'd like to learn more about how we can help you trade this market, visit www.markettimingacademy.com. We've got some really cool e-courses and other services that you can take advantage of that will really help you become a great investor. So good luck to you.